Ever wondered how people get tons of Roblox just by standing around and please donate? Want to turn your stand into a donation magnet even on mobile? Stick around, because I'm about to show you the easiest way to set up your own please donate stand using just your phone, and yes, it actually works. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full step-by-step process, from claiming your stand to adding your own donation buttons so you can start collecting Roblox today. If this helps you out, don't forget to tap that subscribe button and leave a like to support the channel. Alright, let's jump right into it. To start, join the Please Donate game on Roblox. Once you're inside, look for a stand that says Unclaimed. When you find one, walk up to it. You'll see an option that says Stand, and just below it, Claim. Press and hold your finger on that little white square until it completes a circle, and boom, the stand is now yours. I already have a few donation buttons set up on mine, but I'll show you how to make your own, and even how to customize the message on your stand. To edit it, press and hold the stand again. Tap Edit and now you can type whatever you want, like "Hi, help me reach 100 Roblox," or something fun to attract donations. Tap Apply, and your custom message will appear right away. You can also tap the dollar icon to check your top donations, though if you're just starting, it might be empty for now. And don't miss the gear icon, where you can switch up your booth design, even unlock new ones from the shop using your Roblox or donation earnings. Alright, let's talk about adding donation buttons. This part is key if you want people to actually donate. First, close the game and open a browser on your device. I'm using Safari, but Chrome works too. Go to roblox.com and tap Continue in Browser. Now, you must request the desktop site. That's super important. On Safari, tap the AA icon and select Request Desktop Site. On Chrome, use the three-dot menu to do the same. Once the desktop site loads, tap on Create at the top. If it takes you somewhere else, just manually enter create.roblox.com into the address bar. Now tap on Experiences. You'll see your default game or place named after your username. Tap on it. We're going to create a game pass, which acts as your donation button, and it's free to make. Tap the menu, then go to Associated Items and select Passes. If you've never made one before, it'll be blank. Tap Create a Pass, upload a quick image, give it a catchy name like Support Squad or Thanks Legend, and add a short description. Once you've created it, tap on the image, go to Sales, toggle Item for Sale on, and set your price, maybe 1 Robux for starters. Tap Save Changes, and that's it. Now reopen Roblox, join Please Donate, claim a stand, and check it out, your brand new donation button should now be live. And just like that, you've set up your very own Please Donate stand on mobile. Want more Roblox tips, tricks, and tutorials? Smash that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one.